Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on decimals, where we will be continuing our investigation into decimal place value. To begin, let's do a quick recap of what we've covered so far. Decimals can be found in lots of places in the world, from money to measurement, and are represented with numbers placed after a decimal point. Previously, we've looked at the meaning of the decimal point, which tells you where the ones, or units, place is, as well as some of the place values of decimals. The first place to the right of the decimal point is called the tenths place, and the second place to the right of the decimal point is called the hundredths place. But if the first place is called tenths, and the second place is called hundredths, what do you think we call the third place to the right of the decimal point? Pause the video and talk amongst yourselves. Then press play when you are ready to continue. Well done to all those that guessed that the third place is called thousandths. That's correct. You may have noticed the pattern or simply already known the answer, but well done and a good effort by everyone else who tried. Now, as you may remember, decimals can be shown as fractions and vice versa. In the case of this decimal fraction, the denominator is 1,000, while the numerator is whatever number of thousandths you have. Now you might be wondering, but where would I use thousandths in real life? After all, money only goes down to 1 cent, or 1/100th of a dollar. While this is correct, money does only go down to cents normally. What if I told you that you probably have dealt with thousands before in real life and just never realized it? For example, your ruler probably has millimeters on it. Well, 1 millimeter is 1,000th of a meter, and 1 meter is 1,000th of a kilometer. Or, to look back at money, if I had $100 and I spent $2.50 on a packet of chips, I would have spent 25 thousandths of my initial funds. Can you think of any other places where you may have used thousandths before? Pause the video and talk amongst yourselves, then press play when you are ready to continue. See, I told you it can be found anywhere. So, when you are dealing with decimals, remember, the third place to the right of the decimal point is the thousandth, which, as we have just discovered, appears in a number of different places. Thank you for watching.